Hey, my friend Todd G here, aka the G-Man, and this video we're going to talk about the Getresponse affiliate program. Now, Getresponse is an email marketing software. It's very well known. It's got a very good reputation, and but they have an affiliate program that pays out pretty well as well. So we want to talk about that. I'm going to go ahead and share my screen, and let's go. Okay, so the Getresponse affiliate program. Basically, it pays out 33% of every sign up you have per month. So the basic plan, the basic pricing plan for Getresponse is $15 a month for 1,000 list size. And that's, the majority of people getting started online are probably going to choose that $15 plan. So that's probably what you can count on. But if they go with a plan that supports like 10,000 list subscribers, list user, then obviously they're paying more. They're paying $65 a month. If they go up to 50,000, they're paying $250 a month. But you can usually count on the starter package, $15 a month for 1,000 subscribers. So with that, with every sign up, you're looking at about $5 per month per sign up. It's around $4.95 actually, but there is a 30-day free trial of Getresponse, so people can sign up and use it for 30 days for free. And then if they like it, they can become a paid member and then pay monthly $15 a month. And if you're an affiliate and they sign up under your affiliate link, which means that you referred them or you recommended them with your affiliate ID, then you can make 33% of that, or about $5 per month per user. Now, here, the couple of good things about Getresponse affiliate program is they pay monthly. And they have two different commission plans, okay? They've got their affiliate bounty program, they call it, which is a generous one-time commission for every sign-up. That's more if you want the one-time commission versus the affiliate recurring program, which pays 33% monthly. I prefer the affiliate recurring program myself. I like recurring income. I like that income stream coming in every month, even if it's less. The one-time $100 does sound pretty good sometimes, but over time, tools like email autoresponders are tools that people need. And once they start using it and building their list on a platform, they usually don't change. And so that 33%, that $5 a month could come in for years and years and years. So just, over the course of 1 year, you're looking at $5 times 12, that's $60. 2 years, $120. 3 years, another $60. So if you're in it for the long game, which I recommend you should be, look at the affiliate recurring program. If you're looking for a larger chunk of change at one time, you could choose the bounty program. My preference is the affiliate recurring program, okay? So if you want to become an affiliate, you can sign up on this page. It's free to sign up to be an affiliate. But before you do, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description of this video, because in that link I'm going to give you access to a free system that you can use to leverage and use Getresponse as one of your income streams in this free system, okay? It's an awesome system. It converts like crazy, and you can use the Getresponse account that you have as an income stream. So if you check out the link below, go in there, check it out, get your Getresponse through that system, through my free bonus in that system, then get your affiliate ID on this Getresponse affiliate ID page, and then you can plug that into that system and use it as an extra income stream for your business. You're going to be using the tool anyway. Obviously, if you're looking to be an affiliate for Getresponse, you know how powerful an email marketing software is, and email marketing as a tool that you need. Why not use that tool and leverage it as another income stream, especially if you want to become an affiliate? Now, this free system in the description, I've never seen anything convert as fast and as good as it's converting. So you can literally get affiliate signups and get affiliate commissions really, really quick with this system if you just follow it step by step, and it's completely free. So I highly recommend you click on the link below, go through that system first, get everything set up, then get your affiliate ID, plug it in that system, start using that system as an extra income stream to generate an income stream with Getresponse, and then you'll be all set. All right, so I'm going to stop sharing my screen. If I can find the right button, there we go. All right, so I hope you got a lot of value out of this Getresponse affiliate program video. Please like it and leave a comment below and let me know what you thought. And that's it for this video. Okay, I'm Todd G, and I will see you, my friend, in the next video.